If you use a CPAP machine, you know power isn't optional, it's essential. Whether you're camping, traveling, or dealing with an outage, losing power can ruin your night. In this video, I'm breaking down the best portable power stations for CPAP machines tested for real-world use, off-grid reliability, and emergency backup. After watching, check the links in the description below for the best portable power station for a CPAP machine. Let's get started. Number 1. EcoFlow River 2 Pro, small body, strong output. If portability is important to you, the River 2 Pro excels in this area. It's compact and lightweight, weighing just under 18 pounds, yet still manages to pack 768 watts of power. Most CPAP machines pull between 30 and 60 watts. That means you'll get around 2 to 4 nights of use, depending on your machine and settings. If you switch off your humidifier, you'll stretch that battery even further. One huge perk, it charges crazy fast, up to 100% in about 70 minutes using AC. That's rare in this range. It's also solar ready. Pair it with a panel and you've got an easy off-grid CPAP setup. You get multiple ports, 4 AC, USB-C, and 12V car ports, so you can charge your phone, power a fan, or even run a laptop if needed. The ACC is smooth too. You can monitor power usage, battery life, or shut it off remotely. Handy if you're using it in a tent or vehicle. It's the best power option for weekend campers and short-term outages, and it's lightweight to travel. If you want something you can grab and go, this is a solid pick. Number 2. Anker Solix C1000, the quiet CPAP champion. The Anker Solix C1000 gives you more runtime, more outlets, and a nearly silent operation. That's exactly what CPAP users want, especially during sleep. With a 1056 watt-hour battery, this unit gives you 3 to 5 nights of CPAP use per charge. Even with a humidifier or heated hose, it holds up well. For folks who need continuous pressure without compromise, this is a strong option. The design is user-friendly. Big LCD display, easy controls. You've got 6 AC outlets, USB-Cs, a carport, all the standard stuff, but arranged in a way that actually makes sense. One cool feature is the built-in UPS mode. So, if you're plugged into the wall and the power cuts out, it instantly switches to battery. That's huge for folks who can't afford even a moment without their CPAP machine running. You can add solar panels and keep it topped up off-grid too. Not the lightest unit, but manageable for RVs, cabins, or home use. It's a perfect power backup option for longer stays, home backup, or anyone using a CPAP with a humidifier. It provides clean design, quiet output, and reliable performance.
Number 3. Jackery Explorer 300 Plus, the FAA-Approved flyer. Here's your travel-friendly, lightweight CPAP solution. The Jackery Explorer 300 Plus is one of the few power stations that's FAA-approved, which makes it ideal for air travel. It weighs just 8.3 pounds and has a 288 watt-hour capacity. That's enough for one full night of CPAP use with the humidifier off. You might squeeze 2 nights if your machine runs at lower pressure. For cruise ships, air travel, hotel stays, or quick weekend getaways, it's the one to beat. Charges from the wall or solar runs almost silently and has just enough ports to cover your needs. USB-A, USB-C, AC outlet, and carport. Simple layout, no extra fluff. The small display gives you everything you need at a glance. If you travel a lot or want a lightweight battery for a CPAP machine, this is a smart investment. Just be realistic, this won't get you through extended blackouts. It's ideal for frequent flyers, cruises, and minimalists. FAA-approved, light, and travel-ready. Just don't expect long run times. Number 4. Vtoman Jump 1500X, affordable CPAP power for long nights. The Vtoman Jump 1500X hits that sweet spot between serious capacity and affordable pricing. With 1,548 watt-hour of battery, it can run most CPAP machines for 5 to 7 nights straight, especially if you turn off the humidifier. It handles both fixed pressure and auto CPAP models easily, and the pure sine wave output keeps your machine safe. You get a solid lineup of ports, including 3 AC outlets, 4 USB-A, 2 USB-Cs with 100-watt output, DC ports, and a 12V car outlet. That makes it easy to power your CPAP, charge your phone, run a fan, and more, all at the same time. The 1500-watt inverter with 3000-watt surge can handle most small appliances if needed. Another big plus is the expandable battery option. You can connect an external Vtoman battery and boost total capacity to over 3000 watt-hour. That gives you up to 10+ nights of CPAP runtime, which is perfect for extended camping or emergency backup at home. It supports AC wall charging, solar charging, 200-watt max, and car charging, so you've got options no matter where you are. It takes about 5 to 6 hours to fully charge from the wall, and solar times depend on your panel and sunlight. Solar-ready folks will appreciate how easy it is to stay powered off-grid. It weighs around 40 pounds, so it's not exactly grab and go, but it's manageable for RVs, tents, or cabin setups. The fan noise is mild and only runs under heavy load, so it won't disturb your sleep. The Vtoman Jump 1500X is best for campers, RVers, or anyone who needs multi-night CPAP support without overspending.
Number 5. Bluetti AC200L, the CPAP Lifesaver. If you want the most reliable CPAP backup for emergencies or live off-grid for days at a time, go big with the Bluetti AC200L. You get a massive 24 HW capacity and a 2400W inverter. This runs most CPAP machines for 6 to 8 nights, even with a humidifier or heated hose on. It's also perfect for people who need more than just sleep therapy. It can run an entire off-grid workstation, fridge, or medical gear. The touchscreen is bright and easy to navigate. You get 17 ports, including wireless charging pads, USB-Cs, a carport, and even a 30A RV plug. It recharges via wall, car, or solar. With the right panel setup, you can live off this thing almost indefinitely. It's heavy, no question, about 61 pounds, but for the level of backup it provides, it's hard to beat. It's a great power station for full-time RVers, off-grid cabins, or serious preppers. If uninterrupted sleep and extended power matter, this is the most reliable option. Which portable power station for a CPAP machine should you buy? If you're camping for 1 or 2 nights or need something small and affordable, the River 2 or Jackery 300 Plus are perfect. For long trips, frequent blackouts, or full-time CPAP users, choose a power station between the Anker C1000, Vtoman 1500X, or the Bluetti AC200L based on how much power backup capacity you need.